Here in Rachel's bedroom with some amazing people.
And me.
Yes. So I'm just stroking Rowan's ear with my foot.
Loki!
It's not molesting, he's enjoying it.
Are you enjoying it?
So Rachel's kindly filming this on her phone because I love her much.
I keep thinking you're going to say hemorrhoids.
It's not hemorrhoids, it's heart.
No. You keep your H's. I keep thinking you're going to say hemorrhoid, but then you say something else.
Anyway.
So we had the picnic, but we had to come a little bit early because it was raining.
Is that your rain?
Probably best to keep it that way,
Yes,
Sarah.
rain.
Most of the time it is.
Like the tears from my eyes rolled down my face. I'm not sure why I'm crying.
Is my phone in Japanese?
Well, as Molly Sandon says, why am I crying?
Will I be able to use it?
I don't know, why are you crying?
Well, both my parents died in a car crash when I was 1. And then I was risen by Kitty in Glasgow, up in North. We lived on the side hill estate in a tiny little estate flat. The flat blew up in a gas oven. Yeah, it was a good childhood. Kitty was an amazing grandmother. Amazing grandmother.
You sound Jamaican, not Scottish.
Right, let's go back to Glaswegian. So I was born in Glasgow. And when she died, we put a bit of coal in her mouth and floated her down on the River Severn.
That's not very good. It's like Glasgow.
It's taking us on a Hindu vibe. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm not sure what else to say now.
Rain.
How have you been doing this
I
week?
think it's turning Japanese.
Yes, it's been alright. It's my birthday today.
Woo! Happy birthday!
Very cool.
And finally,
You turned my phone Japanese.
I can't read Japanese.
Konnichiwa!
No, that's the point.
Namaste is not Japanese.
Isn't it?
No!
What is it? Chinese?
No,
Korean?
it's like
It's yoga, isn't it?
something. Yoga.
Rising crescent.
It's not really a rising crescent.
Waxing moon.
It's the same moon. Same moon.
That's a moon, isn't it? Crescent.
Which is, no, but you said rising crescent. Then,
Right, so my feet are all clouds. Cirrostratus. Alto communals.
I think you've lost it completely. Here lies the remains of the sanity of the...
What sanity? There was never any sanity, was there? Christ, I've lost that as well.
That's so fun.
check your pockets for your sanity.
I'm secretly friends.
The thing is, you'll never
my
find
God.
the other thing,
Okay.
Martian.
You're just saying that's
I'm not
really
sure now.
No, I'm really not.
As you know, as they say on the stage, when the curtain's closing, au revoir.
Yeah, no, I know. I was thinking it's
What
like
else
massive
is
great
she
Japanese. You go.
Please don't do that to my curtain.
Help me! Oh my God, I'm being eaten alive!
Now that one.
Oh, you didn't add love 5 o'clock in the morning.
Anything else you want to say?
That's not right, Sam.
Do a little finishing thing then.
Oh
Oh
my God.
That's today.
As Nina Zilli once said, La Mara Femina.
What does that mean?
Well, in Italian, I think it means something to do with females in armour.
I don't think so.
I can't speak Italian, surprisingly enough. Oh my God. Yeah, Nina Zilli.
I also have a custard cup. I can get free coffee.
What?
I'm not sure if you
How
just
does that work?
It's like a Fruits Advantage cup with custard coffee. I know.
I'm not sure if you downloaded a load of
Right.
pornography or if that was already
Will
there.
you finish up for goodness sake?
So, yeah, Costa cards. I'm going to get
I'm joking,
myself one of
there
those.
isn't.
Just pen jobs and stuff. Oh, but
Hell. Denny's station is hell.
Yeah,
Abandoned Global you enter.
So I'll see you on next Thursday. I ordered my camera yesterday, so hopefully should be here next Thursday. And I'll be 18 and a week old. I don't
Yes,
know.
you're 18 today, Lewis.
Yeah, I
You can
know.
go down the pub.
Oh my God. Let's try to get in the pub and get completely smashed.
No.
Actually, not
Okay,
too smashed, because I have to get early for work tomorrow.
I know, you've got work tomorrow.
9 till 6. I only get half an hour break because I'm technically an adult
That's my
now.
new cat.
Oh, it sucks.
That's demonic.
No, stop being all miserable.
Yeah. I'm not miserable.
Say bye.
No, because I have